West Jordan homeowners experience a full range of seasonal weather, from hot, dry summers to cold, snowy winters. These changing conditions can put stress on a home's structure, especially its windows. Choosing the right window style is essential for maintaining comfort, energy efficiency, and durability year-round. Slider windows have become a popular option in West Jordan because they are designed to handle these seasonal shifts while offering reliable performance and ease of use. One of the key strengths of slider windows is their simple, durable design. Unlike windows with hinges or complex opening mechanisms, slider windows operate horizontally along a track. This straightforward construction reduces the number of moving parts that can wear out over time. In a climate like West Jordan's, where temperature changes can cause expansion and contraction, having a window style with fewer stress points helps maintain long-term performance. During the hot summer months, slider windows contribute to better indoor cooling and comfort. Modern slider windows often feature multi-pane glass and insulated frames that reduce heat transfer. This means less heat enters the home, allowing air conditioning systems to work more efficiently. In addition, homeowners can open the windows to create natural airflow during cooler mornings and evenings, helping reduce reliance on mechanical cooling. In winter, when temperatures drop and snow becomes a factor, insulation becomes even more important. Slider windows are designed with tight seals and weather stripping that help keep cold air out and warm air in. This helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature and reduces energy loss. The ability to close securely ensures that drafts are minimized, which is essential for comfort during colder months. Another important benefit is resistance to weather-related wear. West Jordan's seasonal changes can include wind, rain, and snow, all of which can impact window performance. Slider windows are built with durable materials such as vinyl or fiberglass that resist warping, cracking, and moisture damage. These materials maintain their shape and functionality even when exposed to harsh conditions, ensuring reliable performance throughout the year. Moisture management is also a key factor in window performance. Snow and rain can lead to water buildup if windows are not properly designed. Slider windows typically include built-in drainage systems that allow water to escape, preventing it from entering the home. This helps protect both the window frame and surrounding structures from water damage. Wind resistance is another advantage. West Jordan can experience strong winds during seasonal transitions, and windows need to remain secure under these conditions. Slider windows have a low-profile design and secure locking systems that help keep them stable and tightly sealed. This reduces air infiltration and helps maintain indoor comfort even during windy weather. Ease of operation is a practical benefit that homeowners appreciate throughout the year. Slider windows glide smoothly along their tracks, making them easy to open and close regardless of the season. This is especially helpful during colder months when windows may become more difficult to operate due to temperature changes. Their simple design ensures consistent usability without requiring excessive effort. Proper installation is essential to ensure that slider windows perform well in all seasons. A professionally installed window will be properly aligned, sealed, and fitted within the frame. This prevents air leaks, improves insulation, and ensures smooth operation. Without proper installation, even high-quality windows may not deliver the expected performance. Maintenance is relatively simple, which supports long-term efficiency. Keeping the tracks clean and free of debris ensures smooth operation, while periodic checks of seals and weather stripping help maintain insulation. With minimal upkeep, slider windows can continue to perform effectively for many years. In addition to their functional benefits, slider windows also enhance the overall appearance of a home. Their clean lines and wide glass panels provide a modern look while allowing for expansive views and increased natural light. This combination of style and performance makes them a valuable addition to any property. In conclusion, Slider windows are well suited for West Jordan's seasonal weather. Their durable construction, strong insulation, and ability to handle temperature changes make them a reliable choice for year-round comfort. By providing effective protection against heat, cold, wind, and moisture, slider windows help homeowners maintain a comfortable and energy-efficient living environment in every season.